Hello everyone, welcome to the CompTT Triple B. Today we are going to start with the IIT questions on the basis of thermodynamics chapter. So let us start with the question. Two coordinate engines operate in series. Engine 1 is having 500 Kelvin to 400 Kelvin and engine 2 is having 400 Kelvin to 300 Kelvin. Find overall efficiency they are asking. So first of all, here we have to find out what is the formula we supposed to use in the Carnot efficiency finding. So here eta is equals to 1 minus Tc by Th. This is the formula we have to use. So here eta, what it represents is efficiency of engine. So here it is total efficiency. To find out that, this will be used, and Tc represents temperature of cold reservoir. Tc represents temperature of cold reservoir. And Th represents temperature of hot reservoir. So whenever we are calculating, if they given two different engines, directly we can't take it. So we have to combine them. Okay. After combining both the engines, so 500 to 400 Kelvin, then 400 Kelvin to, it is changing to 300 Kelvin. So here 300 Kelvin will be taken as a Tc and 500 Kelvin will be taken as a Th. So now substitute these values in the above formula. Eta is equals to 1 minus 300 divided by 500. So these two zeros get cancelled and 1 minus 3 by 5, and then if we go for the LCM, five minus 3 by 5. So 2 by 5 we will get. 2 by 5 is nothing but 0.4. So generally engine efficiency will be calculated in percentage. So 0.4 divided by 100. So then we will get 40%. So now we will discuss smart exam tricks. So means in the question, how can we find out few things regarding those we will see. Smart exam tricks. What are those? Let us see. So first one is about the given cyclic process. If in the question, if we say cyclic process, what we have to assume? Internal energy will become 0. And the second one is about isothermal. Along with that, the given ideal gas. Isothermal and ideal gas. In that case also, internal energy will become 0. And third one is about adiabatic process. So whenever they given adiabatic process, here Q will become 0 while no heat exchange takes place. Next one. Fourth one is isochoric. What is meant by isochoric? Here volume remains the same. So whenever volume remains the same, work will become 0. Volume is constant. Remains the same. There is no effect on the volume. So then automatically it is remains the same means work done will become 0. Means no work. Next one is about isobaric. When it comes to the isobaric, iso means same. Baric is nothing but pressure. Here pressure is constant. Then automatically heat added to system. And pressure remains constant. These are the few tricks whenever we are seeing the question in theoretical format or in accession and reasoning or multiple choice question they are giving. They give these words and make us confused. So please look after the hints whatever given in the question, and it will give you opportunity to analyze the answer easily, and your time will be saved to calculate for other questions what will require numerical calculations. So thanks to everyone. So keep on watchers and keep on support the channel, as well as all we together learn and keep on practice to crack the IIT exams. Thanks to everyone.